What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. Today I did the Cardi B WAP video inspired look, and this look right here is inspired by when her and Megan was in the water and if they were wet or whatever. So if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. Real quick, for those that are new, welcome to my channel, boo. Do not forget to hit subscribe, and also do not forget to hit the notification bell button because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos. So with that being said, let's jump right into this look. Let's get right into it. I just want to give y'all my nails inspired by Megan Thee Stallion, the way they are like cut on a slant. I seen when she did like that blue. Yeah, shout out to my nail tech Tiana for hooking me up. So now we're gonna get right into it, y'all, okay? Because I'm so hype about this look. I haven't primed, I haven't moisturized. So what we doing for moisturizer? Okay, so for moisturizer, we are going in with the Hello Hydration by e.l.f. and I'm gonna put this all over my face. So for primer, we're going to jump into the Fenty primer. The person who did Cardi makeup was Erica LaPearl, MUA. I love the way she does makeup. She's really a really good inspiration of mine as far as the queen of the cat eye. I love the way she does like that soft cat eye on Cardi. So that's definitely what we're going to be doing. We're going to start off with giving this face a little wetness. So you know when you're doing wet, you cannot go without the Danessa Myricks, okay? So we're going to be starting off with the Danessa Myricks Do Wet. Okay, if you want to have that wet look, you got to have the best wet look, and that is Danessa Myricks. All right, so we're gonna start off with this. My nails. Oh, I got it. So I'm gonna just take it and just put it right where I want that wet look. Take it, put it right here, right on the cheek. So now I'm going to be taking the Illuminating Veil by Danessa Myricks, and this is in the color Radiance, and I'm going to highlight right here. So I usually do my placement first, and I like doing it this way too because you don't have to really do a lot of highlighting, you know? Yeah. So for foundation, we're going to be jumping into the Nars Radiance and we're going to be taking 2 pumps of that. I'm gonna be beating his face. Okay. Be pressing that in. I really love the video. Like the visuals were so good. Like everything was just so bomb. I'm gonna just run through my eyebrows. Okay, so. All right, my boos. So now I'm just gonna take the rest of that and lay that on my lid. You guys know when I'm real serious that I don't be talking, but don't be acting like I don't love y'all. Y'all know I still love y'all. So my boo, we're going to be starting off with the eye look. I wanted to do the eye look that Cardi B had, and this is the eye look right here. So this eye is giving me like a nice gold bronze look. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to start off with the Juvias Place palette. This is the Nubian palette. So we're going to be starting off with this color right here, and we're going to just use that as our transition shade, and we're going to just start this off in our crease. But yes, y'all, when I seen it, right, I was asleep and I knew she was posting at 12, so I was like, oh my god, like I gotta see it. And I woke up at like 2:30 and was like, oh my god, I gotta see this video. Yo, that video inspired me so much that it had me up until the next day, y'all. Like I didn't even sleep. So I just kept studying this eye look because I'm like, yo, I really gotta like create this eye look. Like I really gotta create this look, you know? Had to put some tape on this eye, honey. All right, now since we have that down, we're going to be going in with a darker brown. So we're going to start off with this brown that's in the Norvina palette, and it's been one of my fave browns, and it is the E4. out of the ABH collection. Now what I'm going to do, since I have that blended, I'm gonna jump into that black in that Norvina palette, and it is the E5, and I'm gonna place it right here. Just to give me a line so I won't mess up, you know what I'm saying? Blow this out, just like this. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of black, and I'm just stamping this on my outer V. Now we're gonna jump into shimmer. I wanted to do this shimmer right here. So I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna try to do it with my hand now. Really liking it, you know? So now I'm just going to get like a brush and then take the bigger brush and just blend all of that. So I'm going to be putting on my Isla mascara just to prep these lashes real good. We're going to do some real cool chill lashes, and the lashes that we're going to do are the Lily lashes, and these are the NYCs. All right guys, so I popped my lashes on, and now we're going to take this tape off. And there you go. So now I'm gonna clean this up. Woo, that is sharp, baby. So now we're about to start off with face. So with face, I'm going to start off with the 420 Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to conceal under these eyes. Okay. I love the way these eyes came out. OMG, I'm looking good. Looking good. Feeling great. Now, since I have that down, I'm going to jump into this deep cinnamon. Then for the final, I'm going to take the 350 Fenty Beauty. This is like more of a lighter color. And I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put that just right here. And blend that in, honey. And we're going to be using this Real Technique brush because this brush is everything. And now I'm going to take my beauty blender and just touch that up. Blend it into the skin. So now we're going to jump into contouring this face really, really good. So I'm going to be jumping into my cream by Fenty Beauty. Taking this M173 and just stamping it right here. And now since I have that down, I'm going to jump into my fave, the Wonder Stick by NYX, and I'm going to contour this nose. Now we're going to take this foundation brush. Like, honey, do you see that? Ooh-hoo. Now I'm just going to blend out this nose contour real quick. Okay. Right now, since I blended that in really good, got that nose nice and snatched, okay, I'ma just take my mineral skin finish and I'm going to set that. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to hold on, let me touch these eyes up some more so I can bake this face. And I'm going to be using the e.l.f. matte setting powder. And I'm going to set this right in my face really good. So now I'm going to use my 3-step sculpt kit by NYX. Bronze this face, just like that. So for under eye, I'm not doing too much. I'm just going to take a brush and jump right back into that Juvias Place palette. And I'm gonna just take my transition color and just throw that under it. Honey, ooh, I'm feeling this look, honey. All right, so now I'm gonna definitely do my bottom mascara lash. So I'm about to look ugly. I'm always like, oh, I think everybody is ugly when they do bottom lashes, but I'm like, it is cute, it is sharp. All right. All right, guys, so now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into lip. Okay, so for lip, we're going to be using the Trendsetter. So Cardi used like a real like nude lip. So I'm going to definitely use a nude lip because that's like my fave thing to do. For lip, we're going to be jumping into the Tiana Teller. And this is the Good Morning. Ooh, baby. So for blush, we're going to be jumping into the Berries palette. And we're going to be taking this light pink right there because I want something a little light, you know, not too dark, but light. You see, like light, like adding that in the cheeks. I'm going to take a little bit of the Petunia because we put the Danessa Myricks already under to give you that glow. So when you take that picture, it's like, wow. Just to give it like. So now I'm going to also spray with the Luminous Setting Spray. Oh my God, y'all. I killed this look. If you guys want to see the final look, like my whole outfit, because I did like a whole outfit inspired by her, not just the hair and the makeup. If you want to see that, make sure you guys don't forget to follow me on Instagram. But guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, make sure you guys give this a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below. Also, my boo, if this is your first time to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you will not miss my upcoming videos. So with that being said, I love you guys so much. My daughter just came in. I love you guys so much, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.